Today, after a long and busy week, I just want to invite you to pause for a while to let your mind wander return to a peaceful land far away, a place with green forests and floating clouds, where kind-hearted people still keep their old traditions and simple soulful dishes carry the taste of the mountains. Let's take this little journey together, not to escape life, but to feel alive again, to breathe slower, smile easier, and let peace quietly return to our hearts. Yesterday, I witnessed something that stayed with me deeply. A young man full of dreams, a loving husband, a caring father suddenly left this world less than a month after discovering his illness. That moment made me stop and reflect. We often think we still have time, that we're young, we're strong, and tomorrow will always come. But the truth is, no one really knows. We chase deadlines, compare ourselves to others, forget to listen to our bodies, and sometimes we even forget to love ourselves. Until one day, when the body grows tired and time quietly slips away, we realize too late that the most precious things aren't success or money, but health, love, and the simple joy of still being here. Life is fragile and beautifully uncertain. No one can promise us how many tomorrows we have left. So, if today you can still breathe deeply, still feel the wind, still hear the laughter of someone you love, please cherish it. When you're tired, allow yourself to rest. When you're sad, let your feelings flow. When you're happy, laugh without holding back. Because every moment you live fully is already a small miracle. Don't wait until it's too late. Don't run so fast that you forget to notice the flowers by the road. Love yourself a little more. Hold your loved ones a little closer, and live a life that feels gentle and real to your heart. Life may not be long, but if we fill it with love, gratitude, and peace, it will always be beautiful. Wherever you are, I hope you find your quiet corner of calm, where your heart feels healed and your soul can simply rest.